Hello, I'm meteorologist David Keller. We saw temperatures this afternoon into the 60s across the Ozarks. And then a cold front came through and temperatures have been falling ever since. Doesn't really show up on the satellite and radar here right now. Fairly quiet across the area, but that will be changing as we head into Thursday as a winter storm begins to affect the middle part of the country. This is what it looked like at 3 o'clock this afternoon. The front had just passed through us here in Springfield. We dropped from 60 down to 46 degrees. But look what it was down in the Boot Heel, Missouri. 73 degrees, and then you look to the northwest, 28 in St. Joe. So that tells you just how strong this Arctic air mass is, and since then, of course, temperatures have fallen quite a bit more, down to about 40 here in Springfield, 26 in Kansas City, 57 in St. Louis. They were almost 70 degrees this afternoon. They'll be in the 20s tonight as well. So we did see that high of 62 degrees here in Springfield, 70 in Harrison, our low 43 degrees. So far, will continue to fall overnight tonight down into the 20s, down to 27 degrees here in Springfield. We should be dry through the morning hours, but then that winter weather advisory goes into effect for areas along the I-44 corridor, including Springfield, Lebanon, and Rolla, as well as Bolivar. It's an advisory as opposed to a warning because we're expecting lighter amounts of snow and sleet. Winter storm warning to our south. That's where the more significant accumulations of snow, sleet, and ice will occur as we head towards Friday. So this is what I'm thinking by the time all of this moves out of here Friday afternoon. About 1 to 3 inches of snow along the I-44 corridor and to the north. Amounts taper off as you head north fairly quickly, in fact. But from Nixa, Ozark over towards Houston, Salem, a little bit more snow and sleet, maybe 2 to 4 inches, and a little bit of ice also possible. On top of that, the more significant icing expected from West Plains towards Branson, Harrison, Mountain Home, possibly up to a 1/4 inch of ice. So not expecting a whole lot of power problems, but there could be some, and then also 3 to 6 inches of snow on top of that. So that's why there's a winter storm warning down to our south. And as you head down into Arkansas, they're expecting a major ice storm, so there could be significant travel problems as well as power disruptions if you're headed to the south over the next couple of days. Otherwise, temperatures tonight very cold as compared to the last couple of days. In the 20s tonight, down to 27 here in Springfield, 25 in Bolivar, 30 in Branson, and those may be pretty close to our highs for Thursday, as temperatures will continue to cool throughout the day with that precipitation developing, only warming up to about 28 degrees here in Springfield, 28 in Osage Beach, 28 in Rolla, 29 in Houston. So most of us not making it above the freezing mark Thursday, and that will be the case as we head through maybe the next week or so, not seeing above freezing temperatures for quite some time. So for your Thursday here in Springfield, the morning rush should be okay, cold, cloudy, but dry. By lunchtime, we'll begin to see that light freezing rain, freezing drizzle, maybe some sleet and snow mixed in there develop across the area. It becomes more widespread as we head into the afternoon. For Springfield, I think it's more of a sleet and snow mix, changing to all snow later Thursday night, and then we'll see a second wave of snow early on Friday, lasting into Friday afternoon. Finally moves out of here Friday night, but look what happens. The temperatures drop all the way down to 6 degrees. Not warming much over the weekend, maybe another shot of snow from Saturday into Sunday. We'll take a look at that once we get through this storm. But look, the cold weather just sticks around. Single-digit lows Monday and Tuesday next week, so very, very cold. Thanks for visiting foxkrbk.com. Stay with us for the latest winter weather information.